I will go back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture, we'll go ahead and look at time using structure TM. TM is something that we're going to look at in C++, and this helps us to be able to print out time, look at time, date, seconds, hours, minutes, and some other numerous things that are needed in date and time. Just like if you want to print out minutes, can just go ahead and say tm underscore min. And for seconds, can say tm underscore sec. And for year, tm underscore year. Let me go ahead and minimize this. Let's go ahead and write a simple code that will help us to understand what you're doing, because we are here to learn. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and import include ctime. And once you do that, you come down right here and go ahead and say time underscore t. Let's say now is equal to time. I'm passing the value of 0 right there. So now this will help us to print out time, and it's going to help us to use that to print out the year that we are, the month, the seconds, the minute, the hour, and so on. So let's go below here, because I love leaving this to know what you are doing, and I will help you. If you don't know the source file from your source folder, you can be able to see all this right there. Okay, I'm going to keep that for you to be able to have your hands on it. So let's go ahead and set tm and name that my tm, and always gonna be a pointer. Go ahead and click series. So it's equal to local time, and pass in the value of now right there, and press semicolon at the end. So we have to print the various components of a TM structure. So let's say you want to print out, let's say the year, they're going to be cout. I'm going to say year. Want to check this current year, and you're going to start with 1990. So whenever you write 1990 plus my TM, that is the name of your pointer, and go ahead, my TM hyphen less than and cm underscore year. So keep this format with you, because you're going to always need it in case if you're going to go ahead and keep this hyphen on tm underscore year with you, because you're going to refer this so it can you can be able to print out the year, and if you run this code, it's going to give you 2019. That is the year we are. So check it out, year 2019. Can you see that? Year 2019. So I put the logic here whenever you're programming C++ is that the basics is always 2019, and if you go ahead and increase this to like 1901, it's going to give you like 2020. Alright, so it's going to add to the other one, 2020. Check it out. So it's coming 2020, but whenever you keep it at 2019, so any year, you can always get the current year. Alright, so this lecture has been made on in 2019, and that is why I get in 2019. So next year, you always going to use 2019, and you still get 2020, 2021, and so on. Alright? So it will always give you the current. So if you want to check about, let's say the month, we are currently on February, so it's going to give you the month. Let me say month. So it's going to give you the month in the numerical form. So it's going to be 2. So month is equal to 1 plus my TM, then hyphen less than TM underscore month. So TM underscore month and this are around this code. Let's check it out. So guys, come in. So month is 2 and this is February. Okay, so February is 2. So if it is March, it will print out 3 and so on. So the next one is, if you want to know the day, you go ahead and say see out. Let's say day. See out day, go ahead and add, let's say it's going to be just my TM hyphen TM underscore M day. So right, hyphen TM underscore M day. Alright, so and that and let's run this code and check it out. So today is day 16 and if you check our date, it's going to be 16 and consider 16th February 2019, consider 15th February 2019, and let's close that. So the next thing is, let's check time. Let's check time. If you want to check time, you're going to be see out. Let's say time. And first to do this time, you're going to pick it one by one. So the first one is the hour. That is 1 plus my TM hyphen CM underscore R. Then let's go ahead and put the minute. So minute is equal to 1 plus CM 1 plus TM underscore minute. Okay, so the next thing is the second, I'm going to say 1 plus CM so this is a 1 plus my TM, and not just TM, my TM, and 1 plus my TM. So remember, we've already declared pointer my TM up there, and we should always use that. So 1 plus my TM underscore seconds. Okay? End line. And let's run this code and check it out. So that is coming. So you can see the time right here, and that is exactly the sentence we have. So this is time we will run this code, and if you drag this down and check it out with this, you can see the time is here, and this is in 24 hours, while this is in 12 hours, okay? So I hope that is cool. So you can be able to do so many things using structured TM. I believe that it will help you and guide you into learning C++ more and be able to do so numerous things with C++ and In case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.